This is how you use a Bucket900. First, you're going to fill your Bucket900 with clean water. Fill it up to a little bit more than halfway. Make sure you're only filling the back compartment like you see here. Add whatever cleaning solution you like. We are choosing Fabuloso. Dip your mop into the wash slot to get ready for cleaning. This actually separates dirty and clean water. You can see the clean water transferring onto the mop pad here. Dip your mop into the dry section. The bristles are going to clean the mop and get rid of the excess water. Now it's time to start cleaning your dirty floors. I'm going to do this in real time so I can show you guys exactly how this mop pad cleans and how it's used. So you guys can see it's getting up all that dirt right here, and I'm going to show you guys this dirty mop pad. We can see how much dirt and grime this mop pad has picked up off of the floor, but don't worry, the Bucket900 is going to get it all clean again, so we make sure that we're cleaning our floors with a clean mop pad. Dip your mop pad back into the wash compartment and then into the dry, and I'm going to show you guys how much dirt has gotten off of the mop pad. All the dirt has transferred from the mop pad into the dirty compartment of the Bucket900. These are also really user-friendly. You can take these mop pads off and wash them in your washing machine and reuse them. I'm going to open this up so I can show you guys that the dirty water and the clean water always stay separate, so you make sure you clean your floors with only clean water. After you're done cleaning up, draining the dirty water is super easy. All you have to do is pull the drain plug and let the dirty water flow out.